Hey everyone, this is Carlos over at Terracotta, and today I'm going to be showing you a demo of how Terracotta detects drift in your PRs when you push a Terraform change. So we're going to go ahead. I have a new branch here that I'm set up. Here we're adding a new EC2 instance, and just to confirm, I'm going to show you our AWS. This is one of the instances that we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up deleting this instance. But first, we're going to go ahead and deploy this. We're going to create a PR. So this could be a developer, DevOps, any one platform making a change. And what we're doing is we're detecting the drift and we're doing a full review of your code directly in the PR before you have to deploy or anything like that. So I'll go ahead. That has been pushed. I will open this up here. And let me go here. All right, so automatically what we're doing is we are doing a Terraform plan on your repo, and we're doing a full check. So that's best practices, misconfiguration, syntax, blast radius, cost, billing impact, drift right from the get-go. But after this initial check happens, I'm going to manually run a TC drift, which is one of the commands we offer in addition to being able to converse with our AI assistant in the PR. But I'll go ahead while this is loading. I'm going to pause, and then in a few seconds, say 30 seconds, it should be ready to go. All right, so we have our review done. Just so you can see here for sanity check's sake, these are the changes that we're implementing. So I'm going to go back to conversation. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. But you can see that we did a full analysis of your PR against the real live running state and live running infrastructure in your environment. In this case, we're AWS. We do a drift check, security configurations, recommended fixes, cost impact, and everything under the sun to make sure that you are getting the best possible outcome when you deploy. Again, this is all in your code changes and before you merge your code into your pipeline. So we're going to go ahead here. We're going to run a TC drift. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to give us a very specific output that just addresses the drift. And you'll receive a command, I'm working on it. And here it would output in a few seconds. All right, we have our checks. We did a full resource check, total 9 resources that are available, 9 have been unchanged. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete this resource here. All right, let's make sure that is gone, just like that. All right, so we deleted the instance. We're going to go ahead and run another TC drift. And now we should get an output in a few seconds that get the real live remote state and live metadata to show you if anything has changed right in your PR. All right, there we go. You can see now, I just deleted the instance and automatically we detect that the drift has occurred. We currently have 9 resources out of the state file that were supposed to be there. 8 have shown 1 sort resource has drifted. You can see that it was deleted as well. So that is a quick demo of how fast Terracotta can get this information to all of the stakeholders involved, your developers, your platform teams, SREs, DevOps, right in your code before you make any changes and send this down your pipeline into deployment. Thank you for watching.